Question 7 is asking us to expand x plus h cubed. So this is a little different because it's not squared. It is to the power of 3. So what we're going to do is use the for method twice. So I'm just going to write the for method again. X plus h times x plus h times x plus h. A lot of the students forget about like the last x plus h, and that's where they lose out marks. So please make sure that you multiply each and every term and get the final answer. Yeah. So x times x is x squared. X times h is xh. H times x is xh. Well, it's hx, but that really doesn't matter because they're variables that are being multiplied together, so it doesn't matter which one's first or second, as long as you just write down the correct one. And h times h is h squared. Again, don't forget times x plus h, because some people just forget to bring this part down, and that's where they go wrong. So now we're going to do the same thing again. X squared plus x. So x squared times x is x cubed, and then we're just going to do that with all of the terms. So x plus x squared times h is x squared h. Xh times x is x squared h. Xh times h is x h squared. We could have simplified added together the xh plus xh. It really doesn't matter if you do it or not. It might be easier, obviously, to multiply the terms, but it really doesn't matter that much. Okay, so again, xh times x is x squared h, plus xh times h is xh squared, plus the last term, so h squared times x is h squared x, plus h squared times h is h cubed. So those are all of our final ones. The next thing that I would love to do is add together all the like terms so I don't forget any of them out, because a lot of students, this is like the second place where they go wrong, is they forget to add all the terms. So first I'm just going to highlight all the x squared h's that I can find. Squared h. Yep, those are all of them. Then with a different color, I'll highlight the next set of terms, so x h squared, and then the ones that are just there by themselves. And finally, just write it all down, kind of like summarize them. So x cubed plus 3 x squared h plus 3 xh squared plus h cubed. That is our final answer for this question.